Imagine the timeline of a person who has subscribed to more than 100 channels. Every day this person is going to see dozens of new thumbnails, which means that yours is going to have to stand out from the rest, doesn't it? Hi everybody, I'm Carina Fragozo and I have a channel called English in Brazil, where I teach English to Brazilians and discuss a variety of topics. Thumbnails are extremely important because they're one of the first things that people will see of your video. In this masterclass episode, I'm going to give you some suggestions on how to improve your thumbnails and the chances that people click on your videos. Thumbnails have to be appealing, and I'm sure you can do it even if, like me, you're not a Photoshop expert. So here are some characteristics of a good thumbnail. Number 1, it is attractive. Of course, it needs to be attractive, it needs to stand out, so a good thumbnail is beautiful, it has nice contrasts, and it makes people feel excited to watch your video. Number 2, it is clean. It isn't cluttered. It's okay to use text. I use text all the time. Try not to put too much information. Try not to use more than 4 or 5 words and try to make these words stand out from the background. Number 3, it has the same colors and patterns as your banner. It is important because it shows your identity and it makes people easily recognize your video. And number 4, it has a human element. People want to see your face, they want to establish a connection with you. So try using close-ups on faces or showing strong emotions. I know it may sound silly, but it does help. I used to look the same in all my thumbnails, always the same smile and the same face, which is okay, but it's boring and predictable. So I started making faces or taking screenshots of funny moments of my videos, and I think it's been working. I think people feel more encouraged to watch my video. And you can use different styles of thumbnails for different shows on your channel because people will know what to expect. For example, I have a series called Survival English where I teach basic English to survive abroad, and I have a very specific design for this series. So when people see one of these thumbnails, they will immediately recognize this video as a Survival English video by Carina Fragozo. So now you know how your thumbnails can make you get more views. In the next masterclass video, which is the last one in this series, we're going to talk about some finishing touches like playlists, subtitles, and end screens that can help you stand out amongst so many channels. See you next video!